Welcome to Zamboanga. Welcome to Zamboanga, guys. Hello? Tingnan mo, ang puti-puti na. Ngayon, makita ko sa ikaw. Galing nga kita sa ako. Yeah. So pretty, have the highlight there.
I mean, hindi ko in-expect na magkakagaluhan kasi oh my god, ang sakit kasi. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, good morning everybody. So today, magda-daily vlog tayo. And yeah, dito na naman tayo sa mga kaartehan, sa mga kacharbahan ko. Huy, focus. So dito na naman tayo sa ating mga pacharbanes. Sa ating pa-split ends na ganyan. So, yeah, today, i-share ko lang sa inyo ang aking day, of course. Yeah, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking whole day. Today, ano ba? Mag-focus ba, uy, na? Ginoo. So, yeah, hindi pa ako nakakaligo and yeah, it smells so mabaho na talaga. And yeah, sunlight na sunlight lang tayo dito. Walang makeup lang. Dinaan na lang sa pa-brightness ni Mayor. Dinaan na lang sa pakuan, sa pa-lighting ng ating window. Ng ating sunlight with the Z. So, maliligo na muna ako. And nasabahan nyo ako sa pagligo? No. So yeah, maliligo na ako and pupunta pa pala ako ng school. And school to, you know, kasi may class pa ako, which is, you know, hindi lahat SLA Charbanes. So I really have to go to that class. Oh my god, English. So mag-a-attend muna ako ng P class ko. Then I'll go home, I think, to get my things and the Charbanes and I'm ready to go to the Charbanes. So yeah, see you guys.
Paala na kayo. Okay, chariot! Hyure! Junbi! Si Jack! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Kuman, Kyure. Okay, next, individual.
So we're planning for our outing.
Doon naman tayo magkano. May school mo yun ba? Isa lang magkano.
May school yun dun, ma'am.
Saan ka pa?
Oh, may school dun.
May school doon.
Oh, pumunta naman dun.
Kasi mapagaling man yun.
Kasama kami ni ano. Sabay kami.
Kaya nila Jason, ma'am.
So yeah, umuwi muna ako. And para mag-iron ng hair, Charbanes and to get my things and to Charbanes of my Charbanes. So yeah, doon na ako doon na ako mag-aayos ng doon na ako magpe-prepare sa friend ko. Yeah. And yeah, tatapusin ko lang muna ang pag-iron ko and I'm ready to go.
Ay, kaya lang.
So we're here now and yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. Currently I don't have any makeup on. Tama ba?
Makeup in.
So yeah. So there are, you know, my drivers for today.
How dare you?
Hey driver, can you see? Can you look at it? Can you look at me?
Ng grammar boy.
Arlene. Rhea.
Ano?
How's the
weather today? Kuya,
uy, oh my gosh.
you are such a liar.
Sa sobrang nagpagmamadali ko.
You're such a liar.
Madami na akong nakalimutan.
May ano ka, may kulangot ka sa dibdib.
Oh, that's tissue.
Oh my God.
Tissue rolled.
Very, very long.
Rolled with a D. So, yeah. So, I have no any makeup. So, kanina, oh my gosh, pinadali talaga ako nila. And, why? So, we're currently, we're going to Shine. We're going to John D. Ano ba yung sundo in English, guys?
Fetch.
Fetch?
We're going to fetch.
We will going to fetch Shine. We will be going. Oh, we will be going to fetch. We will be, you know, we will go to Shine. We will. We will go to fetch Shine and
Where?
at saan ba?
Saan daw?
Saan na no, Arlene?
Sa Baliwasan.
In Baliwasan, Chico. In Baliwasan. So yeah, anyway,
Maganda diba pag
so yeah, nagplan siya ako for today and I hope na sana this would work. This would work. This will work. And yeah, sa sobrang pinadali nila ako, ang dami kong nakalimutan. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so shocked talaga.
Sinungaling ka. Oy, gago,
Ay.
magti-3 na. Quarter to 3 na. Saan ang
Oh, hala.
Sinungaling. Sinungaling ka talaga.
So,
Pakilan.
nakalimutan ko ang wig ni Warren. Oh my God. I cannot.
Hala. Tingnan mo, ang puti-puti
So,
na.
yeah.
Makita pa siya. Ikaw, like, oh my God.
It's so good.
Walang itim mo. Oh, tinan
Oh,
mo
yung
ba?
pang ano,
Parang ano tayo?
party.
Contrast. Ano tayo? Bread, tas chocolate. Feeling. Shock feeling. Kinakanta tayo? Tingnan mo lang. Ayan, yan. Maganda yan. Ayan, tricycle malukay yan. Come on! Kanye West. Then, hindi ma-focus. Mas for si Eugene. Ang dilim girl.
Ako ang blurred sa likod.
Hindi ma-focus. Hindi makita yung mukha namin. Uy, magulat yung mata ko. Bakit nagaganyan ako? Oo, wag ganun. Magulat na. Yung iba, ano ginagawa nila? Ano yan, i-focus?
Bawal yung mag-video, di ba? Mag-belt. Makita yan sa video.
Huwag na.
May makamag-viral ba niya?
Baka mag-trending tayo. Diba ganun yan? Ginaganon. Ginaganon. Yung... Bakit ayaw? Diba ginaganon yan?
Wow! Hala, maitim na ba?
Nandun na.
Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do.
Ha!
Trust me. I'll do the act.
Oh my God! I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, bakit yun?
Oh my God.
Camera ni...
Shoes ko sa likod.
So, hello!
Uy, ka mo doon. Alisin mo yung shoes. Kailangan sa likod.
Iwag mo yung ganyo.
Yeah, kala.
Uy, gusto ko mag-ano.
Hindi ko pa kayo ngata. Maghuho naman kami kay Arlene.
Paano ano? Sa ano? Paano? Iganon.
Ganon, baliktad ba?
Iganon lang. Ay, ganon lang. Ang ganda kasi.
Maganda ang dapat, besh.
Wait, that's Maldives.
Wow.
Very blue.
Pretty. Ang ganda ng sky kasi pretty ko. Ano pa nila? Wow. Welcome to Zamboanga. Welcome to Zamboanga, guys.
So yeah, we're here now at Shine's crib and we are preparing already with this outfits of the Chorbones. And yeah, oh my gosh.
Amazing besh on zebra tape food. Sino yung follow ko? Makita nung oras na yun, James. Tingin, kaya na yung for 30.
Kaya lang. Alam ko gusto mo panoorin. So I'm here already at the venue. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
And yeah, here's Mitch and Ladine and Warren and me.
And me. And me. And me.
these.
And the food.
What do you, what do you call it?
Dapat siya kapag chemistry. Kapag
And yeah, oh my girl, we're so ready.
Actually, nakalimutan niya yung wig. Dapat mag-wig ako.
Sorry,
Kay Dorang puta.
wait, I'm not. I seriously
No!
didn't. Yes, bitch. Sing sus, bitch.
And our cotton candy.
the red girl.
Oh, girl. And oh, girl.
Walang panlaban.
So we're now here at the venue, right? We're here now,
Yes,
and we're ready na to and,
Ready na sa mag-host?
yeah.
So pretty. How's the highlight there? My highlight naman ng 90s.
Stop it. And yeah, oh my gosh, I love the decorations and chorvanes.
I'm feeling sexy.
Kamusta ang dinner, friend? Okay ba? Kamusta ang earring? Nakakangalay, pero okay na. Tiis ganda. Who's your bet? Siyempre. No.
Kasi may bet ka na ba sa mga nag-perform? The touch of your breath says you catch me.
The trio.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No. As the night starts beating, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. As the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here.
So hey everybody. So yeah, good morning. And last night was so good, and yeah. Hindi ko in-expect na magkakagaluhan kasi oh my God, ang sakit kasi harap-harapan ako napahiya. Natisod po, natumba ang gunay, and I was like, God! So, yun na nga, guys. I'm like, kasi naman, you know naman, boy, I was crying in the room, and baby saw me. Just lang, very dramatic, very kuan. Basta, very Lauren Lee ang level ng drama. Very Jeffree Star, Lauren Lee. Ay! Very kuan, very drama queen, very Chris Aquino, no? Very drama. Ganito lang naman yun. Kami-kami lang naman yun na aking mga kakompanyon. Kompanyon! Oo. And, yun na nga, nagmamadali ako magpumunta sa CR and then natisod ako. Buti na lang, wala masyadong madaming tao and everything. Pero totoo na nadapa ako. Ay, totoo na masakit pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. And, yeah, it's really hurting. It's really hurting! So, yeah, buti na lang, hindi malang madaming tao doon, ma'am. So, busy sa loob ng Chicharbanes. Kung hindi, day, pahiyang-pahiya ako, day. Oo. So, yun na nga. No one to be blamed. Ala, no one to be blamed. So, yun na nga. Today, tuturuan ko kayo gumamit ng kuan. Ng efficacy. Oo. Para sa mga Chicharbanes nyo. Kasi, day, sobrang sakit, day. Iba, Jude. Hanggang ngayon, sobrang sakit niya pa rin. Ito na sa pinakamasakit na Chicharbanes sa pa ako ever since before of the Chicharbanes. So kagabi hindi na ako nakakuha ng iba pang clips and Chicharbanes of the Chicharbanes because nalobat na ang bakla, nalobat jud ang phone, nalobat jud ang camerage, nalobat na lahat. Mukhang tanga tayo kagabi. So yeah, but in fairness, kagabi was good. Hindi siya very good because ang sakit dyan ng aking kapaa. Over dyan sakit ng aking paa, ang aking legs ngayon. I can't even. But yeah, so at the moment I'm posting posting pictures and videos sa aking IG story. So yeah. Ay, bakit wala? Oy. Bakit walang internet? Nagigigil ako. Bakit? Huy? Hello. Hindi na ako masyado nakakuha ng videos and clips again last night kasi hindi ako masyado nakakuha ng magandang video clips, Chicharbanes sa aking socialization kasi sobrang hassle, ang sakit-sakit na ng pa ako at chorba ganito, chorba ganyan, and yeah, hindi ko nakuha yung mga jackstones and Chicharbanes sa table, video ganyan, vlog, and And yeah, the surroundings. Because, yun na nga, na-Chorbanes, kaya hindi ko na nagawa. Basta yun na yun. So, yeah, I'm so tired, and, yeah. And, oh my gosh, I'll get food muna. Ha! Be right back with the Chorbanes. Yeah. So that's it guys for this video. Magpa-post muna ako ng mga pictures sa IG story. And maliligo. And Chorbanes and Chorbanes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video.